Hi guys, I'm here to do a live on Vlook, V-L-O-O-K glasses. I just got my glasses in. It took a little bit because there were some things going on with my prescription, but we got it fixed and I'm super excited to show you about Vlook glasses. They come with very many different frames to choose from. This is my first frame that I got and I'm super excited. I love it. It's very classy. It's not something that I would normally wear, but the amazing selection to choose from. These fit perfect. The style is great. They are very sturdy, and it comes with a wonderful case that snaps open, and it says Vlook right inside. It also comes with your glass cleaner. It comes with a little box that has your extra screws in it, and then it as well comes in a case. Okay, I'm loving these. I'm loving the look. I think that I have just the right outfit for it. They are on Facebook and Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, and Trustpilot. Okay, they are very new to me, but when I got the opportunity to do this review, I got so excited. They have a 365-day money-back guarantee as long as there's no damages caused by accidents, negligence, or improper use, okay? And please forgive the background. I do apologize. If you refund or exchange, if that's required, you just need to contact the customer department, and everything comes with your information, comes in the kit. It will let you know what you need to do. And I'm going to show you pair number 2. Can you believe it? Oh my gosh, this is something that I would have never chose for myself. I absolutely love it. As you can see, my cat in the back loves the cat glasses, okay? These are super cute. The design is just on point. Look at the style. Very nice. It fits perfect. I can see very well, clear as day. Just amazing. I highly recommend Vlook. I did not get paid for this. I am just doing an unboxing and an honest review. I give them 5 stars on both pairs, and I'm trying to decide which one I like best. I guess it would depend on the outfit that I'm wearing. So if I'm going to take my cat out, I guess I would wear these. And you tell me which one you like best. Pair number 2 or pair number 1. What do you like? They have so many different designs, but these are the 2 that I chose to review. And I love the big glasses. I love the big eyewear. And then I as well love these slimming ones. So it would depend on the outfit and your mood. So you decide which pair you like and click on the link below to check out the ones that you like. The prices for the frames are amazing, and the customer service is on point. So links below. Any questions, just let me know, okay? Have a great day. Thank you.